Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's new video, 12 ways to make money delivering food package and more. The needed delivery is explored their big gig any cost. Explained here are your complaints. Work them how much you can expect to our numbers of gold dollars a support help redirection improvement financial life and we regular partner with sharing some visitor sign up made target once of the partner like we receive conflict of referrals learn more constant continue his becomes in improvement people days give your buy and schedules easily package require restaurant meals and professional delivery instead using limit free time and earn it if you are looking for ways to make money extra cash and farmer with low areas of time you can advise in demand making delivery on site make money delivering food we people are busy and listing the way to go grab shipping speed few hours restaurant waiting a few mail so these terms and food delivery service you can advise your these delivery apps and money your spend time and hostel your be boss grow ship and delivery food your customer local restaurant once of customer press the order target and delivery we pick up the brink of the customer office other location the delivery service fees depended on the restaurant the selected about once of the week after efficient new deliveries can download door dash and app to start earn money and option schedules future shift start anyways click how to get started to become test your fill out of the application and under background check your place background check action increase big and paid debit card read card and use pay for food and fast restaurant requirement to be you must be last 18 years old how to measure move valuation the last 7 years have more than audience moving valuation the last years our source bike see how much to earn 9 to $12 per delivery put learn about gig our door instead shopping instead offer some days in delivery pickup service customer shop local store and visa instead app once of finished shopping they can requirement personal shoppers to big delivery these order them someday unique and app installation offer two optional shipping fill service and store only is full service shopping your shop and order delivery to customer in store shopper you can terms and order place customer pick the option and provide later flexible this without digital how this instead shopping extra made $300 in hours how to start other personal detail in online application after do you get text with links can download an state app download app can choose becomes full service store app selected other your schedules Requirements to become instead full service shopper in must be a last 18 years old, be eligible work United States, how to visit smartphone, lift 5 pound without any help to become in shopper. You must meet your some requirement with expert how much and $10 to $16 per hour plus tips learn and delivery out instead shipping reviews. 3 postman FA support COVID-19 restaurant delivery with post email password no fees and term condition download and online we went to money the home and 100% you are earning keep 100% earn delivery anytime complete delivery instead drop down cash out instead anytime went to great postmates and food delivery that's travel and call constant delivery requirement restaurant personal time and customer deliver paid to millions deliver with orders many orders incomplete over is delivery also delivery you can set up free already request with accept reject auto automatic delivery option to reject offer perfect accept how to start it if you choose delivery postman and confirm information and background check receive welcome to press credit card and delivery big is background check receive it and download your promotion active prepaid marketing deliver requirement to deliver to your promotion must be it last 18 years old how to access card tricks and will be by source background check how to access smartphone how much can you earn $10 to $20 per hour plus tips and learn more out postman for shipping get paid to shipping with ships target owner your delivery service ship allow customer your apply website address from local submit ship shopper and payment and deliver fees and speed fewer than $35 how to get start complete the shopper application basic information like your name age and delivery experience wait 24 to 18 hours approve your you also needed base testing requirement to basic shipping shopper you needed it last 18 years old have valid level lesson increase owner retailer value 1997 or newer now to popular select product owner instant colors big be available left 14 pound have a smartphone how much you earn 16 to $22 per hour plus tips learn on shopper reviews delivery with under Uber and effect online food delivery apps is customer how to hands Uber extra restaurant partner place in order target app where the delivery discount between customer restaurant delivery fees how to get started download the Uber app and registration your delivery you can complete few digital forms and upload documents and ground check them, your bank account, a debit card, your get paid. Once approved, app show your available delivery jobs for accept requirement dependent on the weather. Delivery can shorter bikers with plug-in delivery with shortcut bikes max and choose your option with requirement card delivery requirements met your maximum edge delivery area have returned 2 doors or 4 doors can made 1999 after hold valid diary lesson registration vector insurance pass background checks scope delivery requirement best of 19 years old have montage short under 20cc have valid delivery lesson registration and vector insurance pass background check bike delivery required be alert last 18 years old have your government issue ID pass background check have your smartphone how much you are earn $10 to $15 plus tips earn to work and get paid instead is delivery like subscribe press the bell icon for notification updates thanks for watching